Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. PeerStreet, found at www.peerstreet.com, offers a compelling investment platform. This platform specializes in providing access to real estate debt, primarily short-term loans secured by properties. This presents an alternative investment opportunity for those looking beyond traditional stocks and bonds, allowing individuals to participate in the real estate market without the complexities of direct property ownership. PeerStreet simplifies real estate investing by handling the due diligence, loan servicing, and collection processes. Investors can choose individual loans or diversify their investments across a portfolio of loans. The platform provides detailed information on each loan, including the loan-to-value ratio, interest rate, and property details, empowering investors to make informed decisions aligned with their risk tolerance and investment goals. The platform's focus on short-term loans generally translates to quicker returns for investors. While real estate investments inherently carry risk, PeerStreet aims to mitigate these risks through rigorous underwriting standards and careful loan selection. They assess factors like the borrower's creditworthiness, property valuation, and loan terms to manage potential defaults. However, it's crucial for potential investors to conduct their own research and understand the inherent risks associated with real estate debt investments before participating on the platform. Furthermore, PeerStreet provides resources and tools to aid investors in their decision-making. The platform offers educational materials, performance data, and customer support to address queries and provide guidance. This emphasis on transparency and investor education further enhances the platform's appeal. For those seeking to diversify their portfolios with real estate debt, PeerStreet merits consideration. It's advisable to explore the platform, review the available resources, and carefully assess the risks before committing any funds. Always remember to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.